I have 2 slices of bread, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. To this I will add some salt. Then I have Italian herbs over here, which I'll add some of it to the oil. Give it a mix and apply it on the slice of bread. Just apply a nice amount where you can see all the herbs on it. Do the same on the other side. Take another slice, repeat the same. Take the bread slices and slice them off. So our slices are ready. Now they will go into the air fryer. Add these pieces to the air fryer. Just spread it and then we'll just air fry it until it's done. In about 5 minutes, the croutons are ready, nice and toasty.